Hey coders, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to stop negative numbers in their tracks. We'll write a JavaScript function that throws a custom error when the user enters a number less than 0. This is great for validation when only positive numbers are allowed, like age or price. Let's see how to catch these cases using simple logic and throw. In this task, we want to accept numbers only if they are 0 or greater. If the number is negative, we'll reject it by throwing a custom error. This helps us avoid invalid inputs early in our logic. We write a small validation function for this purpose. This function checks if the number n is less than 0. If so, it throws a custom error with a helpful message. If the number is valid, it simply returns the value. The throw keyword ensures the function stops running immediately on bad input. The process starts by passing a number into the function. It compares the number to 0 using n is less than 0. If the number fails the check, we throw a custom error. Otherwise, we return the number as is for further use. Here are some example cases. A positive number like 3 is returned without issue. 0 is also accepted, as it is not negative. But a value like negative 5 triggers the custom error, stopping execution right there. This technique is very common in the real-world apps. Think of form fields where only positive numbers make sense, like prices or age. By validating input early, we reduce bugs and prevent crashes. This method keeps our code clean and dependable. To recap, we protected our function from the negative numbers using a simple comparison. If the check failed, we threw a clear error using no new error. If the input was valid, we returned it normally. Thanks for learning with me. Coding smart and safe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.